In 1989, Pepsi released the first morning soft drink, Pepsi AM. This new breakfast version had 25% more caffeine than regular Pepsi and less carbonation, apparently at consumers' requests to help make it more palatable for drinking in the morning. The increased caffeine content also added a bit more bitterness to the taste, making it slightly more coffee-like. The drink was released to test markets in Waterloo, Iowa, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. It was actually initially successful, selling well above expectations, and it proved popular with university students around Waterloo. Maybe it was the novelty of the new drink or curious customers just wanting to give it a try, but stores in Waterloo saw brisk sales, with some stocking their cases of Pepsi AM in the same aisles as their coffee and tea. But in terms of getting a morning jolt, the soft drink didn't quite pack the same punch as a cup of coffee. As noted in newspapers at the time, Pepsi AM had the increased caffeine content in its recipe, about 4.1 milligrams per fluid ounce, compared to regular Pepsi's 3.2 milligrams, but it still wasn't close to equaling the roughly 20 milligrams per ounce for coffee, falling far short of the 100 or so milligrams total that most people get from a standard morning cup of coffee. Additionally, the decrease in carbonation actually led people to complain that it tasted kind of flat, not really capturing what they liked about drinking Pepsi in the first place. By August of 1990, a year after first releasing the drink to test markets, Pepsi stopped production of Pepsi AM. Sales had slowed and customer feedback signaled that the experiment had been a bit of a misfire. It turned out that despite Pepsi's aim and expectations, most people just didn't want a breakfast soft drink.